It's a story making international headlines, and BC's government is paying attention, even cutting a trade mission short. And a popular pharmacy chain is selling now legal commodity. With more on these topics, let's head over to business in Vancouver, where Tyler Orton is. And Tyler, the province's trade minister announcing yesterday that BC was cutting short a trade mission to Asia in the wake of the Huawei CFO being taken into custody. What do you make of that?
Well, it's going to be a lot of pressure on Canada right now from Beijing. We're already hearing that Beijing is putting pressure on its ambassador, saying that there will be grave consequences if Meng Wanzhou is not released. The issue, though, is that we have a trade delegation, a trade mission, I should say, going on in Asia right now. They've just completed a leg in South Korea. They're in the midst of doing one in Japan. And these forestry representatives were about to embark onto China. They're now cutting that short. And I think if you are an executive for any company, a Canadian executive in any company, and you're hearing that China is promising grave consequences, I think it's making a lot of these executives take a step back and wonder if it's worth the risk going forward. I expect more ripple effects to be felt across the BC economy, but for now, Bruce Ralston, he is the BC trade minister. He says that the province remains committed to its customers in China.
Okay. Meanwhile, medical cannabis is coming to Shoppers Drug Mart, but you can't go in to buy it. So where do you get it?
Well, exactly, because they're not pursuing the brick and mortar side of this. Shoppers have been very adamant about it. So all they want to do is be able to sell it online, and they've just been granted a license from Health Canada to do so. And I should emphasize this: they've been the most high-profile company in Canada pursuing this. They've been trying to get the license since 2016. But they have no interest in recreational cannabis. It's only medical marijuana that they're pursuing at this point. So for those Shoppers customers, we don't know an exact date yet, but soon enough, the medical marijuana customers will be able to purchase online from one of the most high-profile companies here in Canada.
All right, thank you so much. That's Tyler Orton joining us this morning with those details.